case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Colorado Supreme Court was embattled in the aftermath of a land purchasing deal that spiraled into an intriguing real estate litigation in 1955. The crux of the lawsuit hinged on a conflict between the Niernbergs and the Felds. The parties entered a sales contract that later turned sour, pushing the Felds to rescind the deal. Following the decision of the Felds to back out of the deal, a meeting materialized involving the Felds, their counsel, and Philip Niernberg, one of the defendants. The outcome of this meeting was an oral agreement allowing the Niernbergs to retain the deposit, and simultaneously an attempt to resell the property. The agreement provisioned that if a buyer willing to pay a price equal to or higher than the Felds' offer surfaced, the deposit would then be rebated back to the Felds. However, in the event the property sold for a lesser amount, a deficit would be carved out of the deposit and redirected to the Felds. In time, the property did sell for an amount equivalent to or exceeding the initial offer from the Felds. In the twist and turns of events, the Niernbergs refused to refund the deposit, provoking the Felds to initiate a lawsuit. The defendants spearheaded an argument claiming the oral agreement fell foul of the statute of frauds and lacked integral consideration. In a remarkable judgment, the court stood with the jury verdict, favoring the Felds. The defendants' arguments surrounding fraud statutes and the absence of consideration were dismissed as invalid. The judgment affirmed the verdict that asked Philip Niernberg, the defendant, to pay the Felds their deposit plus interest. The court found no reversible errors or inaccuracies in the instructions given during the trial. The defendants could not dodge liability, even though Mr. Niernberg's wife was absent during the verbal agreement, reinforcing the legitimacy of the initial oral agreement.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.